Good day, ma'am. My topic is all about glycoside formation. This shows the reaction of beta-D-glucose with methanol CH3OH in the presence of an acid catalyst H+, leading to the formation of methyl beta-D-glucoside and water H2O. Glycoside formation. A glycoside is an acetal formed from a cyclic monosaccharide by replacement of the hemiacetal carbon negative OH group with the negative OR group. A glycoside produced from glucose is called a glucoside that form galactose is called a galactoside, and so on. Glycoside, like the hemiacetals from which they are formed, can exist in both alpha and beta forms glycoside and also by listing the alkyl or aryl group attached to the oxygen, followed by the name of the monosaccharide involved with the suffix -de appended to it. Glycosides are acetals formed when the hemiacetal hydroxyl negative OH group of a cyclic monosaccharide can be replaced og minus OR groups such as a methyl minus OCH3 group. In the presence of an acid catalyst, glucose reacts with methanol to form methyl glucoside, specifically methyl alpha D-glucoside and methyl beta D-glucoside depende sa configuration sa atomic carbon. The A form has the methoxyl group in the axial position, while ang beta form has equational position. Ginganlan sila by combining the attached alkyl or aryl group with the sugar name ending in IDE. Kaning structure, it shows how the anomeric hydroxyl minus OH group at carbon Cl of beta-D-glucose is replaced by a methoxy group, negative OCH3, when reacted with methanol CH3OH under acidic conditions or H+.